So we're going to try, it's not really a top tip, but it's an ingredient we're going to need to add if we're going to make something like a pad thai, right? And Amai sauce. So you probably can buy that somewhere, no idea where. So we're going to make it, and then perhaps later, when we're going to do a pad thai, we've got some of this sauce ready. So you're going to need some rice wine vinegar, some malt vinegar, caster sugar, tomato ketchup. We do love our tomato ketchup, don't we? Some tamarind paste, some light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. I haven't got any dark soy sauce. We're gonna have a little bit of fiddle. We're gonna use a little bit of this kepat manis, which is a sweet soy sauce, just to make it a little bit darker. Right, and that's always nice and sticky all over the bottom. So, get a small saucepan, wooden spoon, measuring spoons, and that's all you need. Well, and also some heat. So, what are we going to do first? Well, I'll just pause here, thinking of your data downloads, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how we make it.